Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Dear viewers, today is 5th of July 2022, and on 4th of July, that means yesterday, I along with a group of 9 persons went to visit Europeans world wonder known as Buna Cave Spring in Mostar city of Bosnia. Due to limited capacity of boat, we six took a short tour of the cave. It was extremely fascinating, and one could praise the God Almighty, how wonderful universe He has created for the human beings. From centuries, pure and clean drinking water is coming from these springs covered under this Buna cave. What all startling revelations were made by our boat tour guide, you can listen and view in this video. So just enjoy the video with all the details.
Yeah, sure. Right now? I'll do it when you come back. यार आप ले लो ना यार अभी stop.
देखो ये गार है इसमें से ये दरिया गुजर रहा है
The man who is sitting to you, his name was
गार
last
में से
drive.
निकल रहा है और आगे गार में से पता नहीं क्या
अच्छा.
ये रास्ते हमको लंबे रास्ते में ये दरिया
So can you tell us something how deep it is?
I will. It's easier inside, so. Where do you come from? Germany, nice. First time in Bosnia?
No, but here first time.
Yeah. So, about the cave and the river. The name of the river is Buna.
What, please?
The name of the river is Buna. Buna. The name Buna comes from Latin language. It means good. Bona. Buna, bona. Bona on Latin, Buna on Bosnian.
Okay.
Now, why is it famous? Why people come here? Because it has the biggest spring of drinking water in the world. And you measure it by the amount of water that gets out in 1 second. And this is the biggest in the world. In 1 second, from this place, it comes out around 43,000 of liters clean drinkable water. It's hard to imagine that amount of water. It's a massive amount of water, but that's summer average. Temperature is 8 to 10 degrees, and this whole town, Blagai, is using this water as a drinking source. So we open tap, like in my home, this is the water that gets out. Now, we have 3 different depths of the water in the cave. Right side, 10 meters of depth here.
How many?
10.
10 meters.
Yeah, deep here.
Okay.
Other side is 4. And here in front of us, where it all goes out, this is the deepest point, and it's 100 meters. And that's a minimum because a diver from Serbia came here for research, and he went 97 meters and he couldn't find the end, the bottom. So still we don't know, it's at least 100 meters. Now, super important question here is, why is it so big? And where does the water come from? I mean, when you look at it, it doesn't look like the biggest spring in Europe, right?
Right.
Yeah, and a team of French divers concluded the same. They were curious because before them, nobody has done any serious research. They went inside, did the research, and when they came back, they say it's all about underground tunnels here.
But underground?
Underground tunnels.
Tunnels.
Yeah, let's say if you would go diving here right now, you would see tunnels on different levels from every side. And through every tunnel, there's a water coming, but from different locations.
Right.
That's why it's so big. So we know the basic, this is like a central point that connects waters around through underground tunnels. But what we don't know the number of tunnels and how far they stretch. You know, there are 2 major lines, 2 big tunnels that lead towards here. And one is on the east, 20 kilometers long, and one is on the north, 40 kilometers. It comes from the mountains. So it's super hard to go cave diving kilometer, 2, 3, at least 20 kilometers. So like I said, we know the basic info, but the details about the map and how complex it is, we still don't know. That's why divers come every year. This is a very popular location for cave diving. In August, there's a cave diving seminar. Different teams come and they go down. And what is like amazing, at least for me, because I've seen the photos, when the divers go inside of a tunnel, it's not just the tunnels all along. They found caves with oxygen inside, underground lakes, ecosystem. There's a big fish living down there, trouts. They develop super fast. So it's a whole world underground, yet to be discovered. We know very little about the complex itself. Yeah.
There are fish in there?
Yeah, huge. I saw a video last year, like a diver was scared, and he shot it with a GoPro. He says, and he was like diving to, and just from the dark, because the light was on the side, like a huge fish like this passed right behind him. I was like, what the hell, you know?
And for how many years people are coming here and making a research?
Approximately from 2002, 2003.
Before that, nobody came.
No one done any serious research, you know. People came, but to go down, you gotta be a really good diver and have like tons of equipment, you know. It takes money and yeah.
So it's about 20 years the people are making almost a
Approximately,
research.
Approximately, yeah.
Up till now, nobody knows the...
Not for sure, yeah. We have some ideas, but the whole area wasn't mapped at all. Just a tiny bit. Oh look, it's rain. It's beautiful. You see, it never rains like on this area because of the cliff. It's like umbrella. If there's wind, it's gonna bring the rain, but otherwise it's...
This is the reason why the pigeons are liking this place so much,
Yeah.
because they are safe here in a way.
Yeah, there's no threat to birds. It's safe. They can nest here. So we don't touch them. They're home. But it's also different here, like big time, is the level of the water. You see, this is not the lowest level, but close to it. Like, in the winter time, see the green color on
Yes,
the
yes,
rocks?
yes.
That's all water.
Okay.
Nothing works here.
So in the winter time it's closed, I think.
Yeah, from November till April, May, you can't do anything. The stream is too strong. Like if you fall in the water, you're gone.
Do you have in memory somebody went inside and drowned?
Yeah, one of the French divers, and which is strange. He was one of the experienced ones. He went down and he got stuck in the tunnel, and then like he mixed the dosage of helium and oxygen from the tanks. When they go down, you gotta mix it, and he put the wrong dosage and his lungs collapsed. You know, so they found him later, but it was too late. Yeah, you gotta be really careful when you go down.
And you are busy here as what? In which capacity?
You mean what is my job specific?
Yeah.
I'm like a tour guide.
Tour guide.
Tour guide, yeah.
Since how many years?
10 approximately, yeah.
10 years.
You wouldn't believe it's a 10-year, yeah. Fast.
I've been a few times.
Yeah.
There's always someone different.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of... No, you don't have to hold it. Yeah, we're going this side. You don't have to hold it this side. Yeah, we got like working in shifts. But usually I work like often because I'm good with languages, so...
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe I wasn't that time, like, but...
It's not a big trip, but it's something...
Very interesting. Very unique. Mrs. you have to send me the video. It's on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tonight it will be on YouTube.
20 euro per video.
You promise me subscribers, I will send you.
I already subscribed.
So dear viewers, this was the short video of the tour of this cave. Hopefully you will like it and will give to your friends for further subscription. Thank you very much.